guys, welcome back to my search for freedom. Today we came to the consulate of Ghana to ask for information about visas. So while we were there, we met the receptionist who told us about some apartments here, some nice apartments. She said when we have guests who are coming to Rwanda, they can come and stay here. So we decided to visit some apartments, and then I will show you those apartments. Before, remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment our videos. Let's do it. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
My name is Pierre Claude. I'm going to take that video for my channel, My Search for Freedom. Thank you for accepting to show us this nice apartment. What is your name?
My name is Sylvia.
Sylvia. Okay, nice to meet you. So Sylvia, tell us more about these apartments.
Okay, thank you so much. This apartment is called Parkview Court, as you said, and it has been started 2010. Yeah, so this room, as I showed you, it's a master suite, a junior master suite. We also have some of the apartments that has, like, they have the same setups, but the difference is the others has kitchens.
Oh, okay.
And they are all full furnished. Yeah, so this is a junior, as we have seen.
Okay.
We have a sitting room here.
Yeah, that's a nice sitting room.
Yes.
I have those seats. Do you know the reason why they? Is it for design? They put different colors.
Yes, it's for design.
For
To make
design.
it looks nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have you don't have air conditioning here?
Yeah, we don't have it in this room.
In this room?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, you have in other rooms.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. There's a small
A microwave.
microwave.
Yeah, a small fridge.
Small fridge.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So when somebody rent this apartment, do they have breakfast?
Sure. Yeah, the
included
breakfast is
in the
included
price?
in the price.
Okay,
Sure, yeah.
okay. So the TV itself, is it
It is a smart TV.
smart TV,
Yes.
and also you have cable, you have
Sure.
many channels?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we use
Okay.
DSTV.
DSTV,
Yes.
okay. Okay. And also, before we talk about the price, so are you on Airbnb or
Sure.
Booking?
We use Booking.com, Airbnb, and there's another platform, I don't remember the name, but we use them.
I see which one you were talking about, probably. I forget the name. So, do you want to show us something else?
Sure, so we have the room here.
Wonderful. So, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, we have Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the price range for an apartment like this?
So it's for $100 to $2,050. Yes. So the breakfast is inclusive. 2 bottles of water every day.
Every day.
Cleaning, the daily cleaning. Yes.
Okay. So a room like this, it's $100.
No. This one is $250.
250
Yes.
per day.
Yes.
Okay. So if someone is coming to stay for the whole month, do you give them a special price?
Yes, we have the packages for the ones that will be staying for a long stay. Yeah, so we reduce the price and it's affordable.
Good. There is a restaurant also here, according to what they told me, and it's very quiet and peaceful if you come here to stay, if you come for a conference, if you come on a business trip, because the RDB is in walking distance from here. So if you are coming for business, you can just, if you don't have a car, if you don't want to take a taxi or a motorcycle, you can just walk back, walk there, up there to go to the RDB. Also, Remera is not far from here. Kimiwonko is not far, the big market of Kimiwonko. So if you want to go there, I think you should take a taxi, because it's going to take you a little bit longer to walk to go to Remera or Kimiwonko. So I'm waiting for the receptionist right now. She will show us another room that has a kitchenette in it. So remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment. Alright guys, this is another setting here. I see there is also a stair. Maybe the room is upstairs. The room is upstairs, and the sitting room is down here, and also the kitchenette is right here. So there's a hot plate there. Hot plate, no microwave. Oh, there's a microwave here. Small one, and a kettle. So here, the fridge might be here, probably, yeah. Fridge is right there. Wonderful, nice setup. So now, Sylvia, please show us the room.
Okay, so this is the sitting room you have seen, and it has a washroom at the other side. Yeah,
Oh,
that's a small washroom.
There's a small.
In case you have visitors, they don't have to go up to.
That's a half.
They have just to come here. Yes.
Is there a place to wash?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oh, there's a small sink
Yeah,
there.
yeah, sure.
Very nice.
Yeah. So the room is upstairs.
Okay. Okay, now we have seen everything, Sylvia.
Yes.
So please tell us about this price. Is
Okay,
it more or less?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, it's $120.
This one?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, depending on the season, we can even offer it at 100.
Oh,
Breakfast inclusive.
that's wonderful. I don't know, but if I compare this one and the other one, I know the other one looks more wider because it's on one space, but this one is, you know, if you have someone downstairs, it's like a different thing, you know, the people can talk downstairs, you come to your room and you rest, you don't need to hear anything. But if the other one, you know, everything has their pros and cons. So this one for me, I would choose this one better because it has a balcony.
Oh, okay.
It has a balcony, so yeah, it's good. Good price, I would say.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a good price.
As for me, I can choose the one that you.
The other one, yes.
Yeah.
The other one, it's okay, but for this one, for me, I would choose this one. Maybe because of the price and also everything. The fridge is bigger and it has a kitchen. I can cook.
Yeah, sure.
I like cooking, you know, the other one, this one is for me.
Yeah, it's better for you.
Better because there's the you know.
Yeah, sure.
So, thank you very much for your time. You know, so if there is a, you know, you will give us your contact to put there. No, not even your contact. The contact of the business itself.
Yes.
Yeah. So when people want to, if you have a website, we also put it there.
Sure. Yeah.
And then we'll thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please share with your friends and family.
Sure.
And also, I'm asking the same to my viewers because in September the channel will be 1 year. I would like to see 500 subscribers. Thank you very much for all of you who subscribe to this channel. Take care.